James here from GoodGuitarist.com, and today I want to show you my 5-minute beginner strumming workout. And the first question you might have is, if it's only 5 minutes, how come this video is 10 minutes long? And that's because before we get into the workout, I want to show you how to do it properly so that you can get the most out of it. You're always welcome to skip ahead to the workout, but I'm going to explain some key concepts that a lot of people gloss over, and these concepts can make a huge difference. So let's just jump right in. The workout consists of 7 exercises, each one building on the one before it. The first exercise is super simple. I'm gonna mute the strings for this whole thing just so I can focus on my strumming. And we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 as we play downstrokes. And the whole point of this is to establish our tempo or the speed of the music. You know, even if you're an absolute pro, you still have to do this fundamental thing every time you're about to start a song. Like if you're gonna start a fast song, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, so you're getting your counting to sync up with your hands. If you're playing with other musicians, you're all gonna start the song together and go the same pace. You could do it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it, very simple. By the way, really quick, I have a free ebook. It's completely free for all my subscribers. Just thought I'd remind you, you can get your copy down below. Anyways, our second exercise, we're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So we're making very small downstroke motions. And notice I go down and then I come up. I'm kind of making like a football shape or like an egg shape. And I'm just getting the thicker strings. But what's most important is the counting. I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that is how we count 99% of songs. We want to make sure we're going steady, making nice, steady, soft motions. And then we move on to exercise 3, where we do that same thing, but then we go with bigger motions. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, going back and forth between the two. Now, as far as the techniques are concerned, the smaller strokes, they're more controlled, focusing on the thicker strings, while the bigger strokes, they take more energy and speed, and you get less control. You know, and as you're about to lose control, you can go back to the smaller strokes to lock back into that beat. This practice helps you stay connected to the rhythm. Even though your arm is moving at different rates, you're still able to keep it ticking along at a steady pace. And once we're good with that, we can start adding some upstrokes. We're gonna play a simple strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, up. And the most important thing here is taking a look at our counting. The counting is king. We're doing downstrokes on the numbers, upstrokes on the ands. So 1 and, we're not making contact with the strings on the and after 1. 2 and then 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You know. Then following that, we're gonna miss a stroke on beat 2. So it's the same pattern, but missing that second downstroke. But we're still gonna move our arm down. The whole point is to keep this arm constantly moving down and up. If you watch any of your favorite players, no matter what pattern or song they're playing, that arm is always moving down and up. So we're gonna do that with our pattern here. Down, miss, down, up, down, up. Notice how I still wave my arm on that miss. Then following that, we're going to introduce syncopation. And that's where we start missing some main beats, but emphasizing the upstrokes. So our pattern is down, down, miss, up, down, up. That emphasizes the and after 3. You know, we're missing 3, emphasizing the and after it. And to practice that, we could even focus on the second half going miss, up, down, up. 1, 2, miss, up, down, up. You know, if you find that this is a bit much for you, I have tons of resources dedicated to helping people build up their sense of rhythm from the ground up. I'll put some links down below. You can always try that first and then incorporate this workout into your routine. Anyways, following that, our final exercise is the most common strumming pattern ever. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. which incorporates everything that we learned throughout this entire routine. So now with all that in mind, let's go through with this whole thing for 5 minutes, starting on exercise 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 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 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, miss, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, miss, down, miss, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, miss, up, down, up. Down, down, miss, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, miss, up, down, up. Down, down, miss, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and this workout. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, save it for later. If you enjoy learning guitar with me, I'd really appreciate if you would take a moment to check out my premium courses, because not only is that a great way to support this channel, but it's a really great way to support you in your guitar journey to help you reach your goals faster. I'll put more information on all that stuff down below. Have a fun time practicing, and I'll see you soon.